for watching Market Cafe on ET Now. Let's get it going and let's talk about markets a little bit now. And commodity prices are once again on the rebound, especially with coffee prices soaring 20% for the quarter and crude up 11% as well. But will this trickle into other commodities? What's the impact going to be for FMCG players, and is the risk of inflation real? Winnie Motiwala is joining us with more details on this. Good morning, Winnie.
Good morning, and yes, that's what we are watching out for, because seems like agri commodities again are seeing a bit of a rise coming in again. We were saying coffee prices, we've seen that actually see a sharp rise. In the middle, we had also seen chocolate prices. So yes, cacao prices, those had shot up as well. So this comes in as a concern, because in the last year we had seen commodity prices actually ease off, but now seems like they're coming back. Look at coffee, the highest amount in terms of the inflation we're seeing on a year-on-year basis in Q1. We have crude that is increasing, then sugar, wheat, as well as palm oil. Now wheat, palm oil obviously does affect a lot of FMCG companies, including sugar, especially biscuit makers. Palm oil affects FMCG companies like HUL, GCPL, who are making soap. Palm oil is obviously a base commodity that's used in making that, and coffee prices obviously seeing a sharp increase. Now other than that, what also gives a worry is packaging prices, because crude oil prices, that saw an increase. Packaging material, that has remained stable, but that becomes a concern. That will this actually be a concern now coming in for these companies, that will also see an increase. Crude prices impacts paint companies. It forms a significant part in terms of the derivative. Crude derivative forms a significant part in terms of paint companies. So all this starts increasing, then you do start seeing an impact coming in terms of overall the cost of these companies and impacting the margins. Now Britannia wheat constitutes around 25%. They make a lot of biscuits. 25% of their raw material cost is wheat. For Nestle, it's around 9%. While in terms of palm oil prices, like I mentioned, we have GCPL, HUL, Nestle, Britannia, all of these also do have a palm oil impact that comes in. If this increases, it impacts the cost as well. Now margin trends, why are we concerned? Because finally margins, when you look at it, had started seeing a recovery coming in. Dabur, Britannia, any of the companies that you look, has started moving upwards. You can see clearly the graph showing that as well. But will this be a concern now, because the raw material prices are increasing? There will be a lag of effect, maybe not this quarter, but next quarter could see an impact in terms of margins if the commodity prices continue to rise for these companies. All of them had seen an improvement in terms of gross margins, so we're keeping an eye out on that.
Absolutely.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.